just making a video for you because I told you I would. You say, what am I going to talk about on here? I said, you shall see. And what I'm going to talk about is how much I miss you and wish I could see you right now. That would be so amazing. I have a text message. But, yes, I wish I could see you right now and give you a big, big hug and just sit and like snuggle with you. You don't know how nice that would be right now. Like, no joke. And, yeah, kind of bored. I'm always bored without you, but, like, gosh, just miss you so much. You don't even know. You really don't. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Yeah. Hope you're having fun. I hope you have fun if you go to your mom's. Trying to have fun without you. Sitting here, house sitting, watching my sister play the Wii. But you never know. Sitting here in my PJs. Well, I'm gonna go now. Alright. Bye, babe. Hope I see you soon.